In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to create your own custom API within ZettaBlock. Once logged in, you'll be able to see this build button right here, so click that to create a query. Let's say that I want to just grab a wallet here from one of the latest transactions from a specific user that I want to track. Let's say for some reason I would like to track this specific wallet. So what I'm going to go here and do is I'm going to say where from address is equal to this wallet. And I always want to get just the last 100 transactions that they've initiated. So now I have that. There's the last 100 transactions that this wallet has initiated, ordered by block number. I want to take that data and create an API out of it. So to do that, you just click on the button use here. Well, actually, let's first give this a title. Let's call this monitoring transactions. So next step is to click the use button to create an API. Let's give it a title, monitoring. Let's say I give it a title, monitoring this guy, and the description of test API for now. So I can choose the data freshness frequency. For now, I'll choose real time because I want to be behind by like half a block or less. And I want to provide some indexes, columns to index by. I'll provide a hash. Let's say I want to look at a specific hash that this user has been active on. I want to look at some to addresses, and I want to look at that's pretty much it actually. And let's set a primary key. In this case, for the transaction table, it will be hash. And then we could just click deploy GraphQL, which will lead us to this page. And we're pretty much done. So now if you want to access this this GraphQL endpoint, what you could do is you could query like this. So let's say I want to grab here. I'm gonna grab here block hash. I'm gonna grab here block number. I want to grab here transaction. Hash, which would be transaction hash in this case, transaction index, and to address, and also block time, I suppose, block time. And I want to grab limit 10, just the last 10 transactions for that this user has initiated on the Ethereum mainnet. And that's it. Your API is pretty much done. This is how you can query it using GraphQL, and you're ready to go.